Step size. On the Boeing 777, step size is an FMS setting that shapes your cruise plan. It tells the computer how big an altitude jump to plan during cruise. Think of it as a rule for each climb to a more efficient level. As fuel burns off, the airplane gets lighter. Lighter means higher is more efficient. The FMS plans step climbs to save fuel and time. Step size defines the increment for those planned climbs. It is fundamental on long-haul setup. This single value directly controls automatic step logic. When you enter a value, you pre-authorize climbs in that increment. 2000 set, it will not plan 1 or 4,000 foot automatic climbs. It looks only to the next 2,000 feet cruise level. That shapes the entire cruise vertical profile. It defines which altitudes are valid stepping stones across an ocean or continent. Fuel and arrival time predictions depend on it. The goal is to match airspace rules. ATC uses specific altitude strata at high levels. Step size lets the plan follow those rules. If rules mean 2,000 foot steps, program 2,000. Now the optimized plan is actually flyable. Without it, the FMS might plan climbs ATC won't approve. You're telling the magic box how to behave. Step size is the key to an optimized cruise profile. Once you input a step value, the FMS gets to work. It considers gross weight, it considers the route, it considers winds by altitude, and temperatures. It hunts the sweet spot for best fuel efficiency. Then it projects fuel over time. As weight drops, optimal altitude rises. It is constantly recalculating. With RVSM selected, steps are 2,000 feet. At current weight, FL340 might be optimum. It plans to cruise there. Later, FL360 becomes more efficient than FL340. The FMS inserts a step point at the right place. That marks the planned climb to the next cruise level. Fuel and ETA flow from these calculations. Step profiles are more efficient and realistic. Higher levels use less fuel per hour, often with better winds and higher true airspeed. Climbing into those bands brings an earlier ETA. You have two tools: automatic step logic and manual legs constraints. Setting step size to 0 is deliberate. Disable automatic step planning. The FMS removes its auto-generated step points. Cruise becomes a single block from TOC to TOD. Predicted fuel burn goes up. ETA shifts later. Use it when cleared to maintain one level for a long segment. Step climbs won't be approved. Leaving RVSM would show steps you can't fly. Overly optimistic fuel and ETA. 0 does not block you from climbing when cleared. Dial the new level and climb. The FMS recalculates from that point with no further automatic steps. You can also build manual steps on the legs page. Scenario 1, 0 with no manual steps. Conservative single altitude plan. Scenario 2, 0 with manual steps. FMS honors your plan and computes fuel time accordingly. Checklist: pre-flight. Set step size to RVSM. In cruise, monitor legs for upcoming step points. When imminent, request the next level. Long restriction. Set step size to 0. Need a custom crossing? Enter manual altitudes on legs. Always make the FMS reflect your clearance. Bottom line, step size sets auto climb increments. RVSM 2000, ICAO 4000, 0 none.